Hello and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cloud computing and DevOps. So let's get started. 31. A developer accidentally hard-coded an API key into their application code and pushed it to the repository. What is the best automated way to catch this before it reaches production? Answer is B. Implement a secret scanning tool in the CI/CD pipeline. 32. Your e-commerce app runs on Kubernetes. A sudden hardware failure causes a worker node hosting several application pods to crash. What Kubernetes component ensures those pods are recreated on a healthy node? Answer is C. The replica set via deployment. 33. Your enterprise requires a highly secure, private connection between your on-premises data center and your AWS cloud environment that does not travel over the public internet. What service do you provision? Answer is A. AWS Direct Connect. 34. During a deployment, your CI/CD pipeline needs to connect to a production database to run schema migrations. How should the pipeline securely access the database password? Answer is B. Fetch it dynamically from a secure secret management system, like HashiCorp Vault. 35. You have deployed a web application in a Kubernetes cluster, but users on the internet cannot reach it. You need a way to route external HTTP/HTTPS traffic to your internal services based on the URL path. What should you configure? Answer is B. An ingress resource. 36. Your cloud application has a global user base. Users in Australia are complaining about high latency when accessing the app, which is currently hosted solely in London. What is the most effective architectural change to fix this? Answer is B. Deploy the app in multiple regions and use latency-based DNS routing. 37. After a massive 3-hour production outage, the engineering team gathers for a meeting. The goal is to figure out why the system failed and how to prevent it without punishing the engineer who accidentally ran the wrong script. What is this DevOps practice called? Answer is A. A blameless postmortem. 38. You have a single Docker image for your application, but it needs to connect to a testing database in the dev environment and a production database in the prod environment. How do you handle this in Kubernetes? Answer is B. Pass the connection strings as environment variables using a config map. 39. A popular news website relies on a relational database. When breaking news hits, the database CPU spikes to 100% due to millions of users reading the article. How can you scale the database to handle this massive read traffic? Answer is B. Implement database read replicas and route query traffic to them. 40. To ensure code quality, your team wants to automatically block any pull requests that introduce new security vulnerabilities or drop code coverage below 80%. What tool should be integrated into the CI pipeline? Answer is C. A static application security testing, SCSD, tool like SonarQube. 41. You need a specific logging agent to run continuously on every single node in your Kubernetes cluster, including any new nodes added by the autoscaler in the future. What Kubernetes resource is designed specifically for this? Answer is A. A daemon set. 42. Your company acquired a startup. You need the servers in your AWS VPC to communicate securely with the servers in the startup's AWS VPC using private IP addresses. What networking feature allows this? Answer is D. VPC peering. 43. A key metric for assessing a DevOps team's efficiency is how quickly they can restore service after a failure occurs. What is the industry acronym for this metric? Answer is B, mean time to recovery, MTTR. 44. You are deploying a PostgreSQL database on Kubernetes. Because pods are ephemeral and can be destroyed at any time, how do you ensure the database files survive a pod restart? Answer is C, mount a persistent volume, PV, using a persistent volume claim, PVC. 45. A hacker is attempting to crash your web application by sending malformed HTTP requests containing SQL injection commands. Which cloud security service is specifically designed to inspect and block these malicious web requests? Answer is A, a web application firewall, WAF. 46. After your Java code compiles in the CI pipeline, you need a secure, centralized place to store the resulting .jar file so it can be versioned and eventually pulled by the deployment server. Where does it go? Answer is D, an artifact repository, like JFrog Artifactory. 47. Your team frequently deploys complex applications to Kubernetes that require dozens of YAML files, deployments, services, config maps, secrets. What tool acts as a package manager to template and simplify these deployments? Answer is B, Helm. 48. You are trying to set up a VPN connection between your corporate office network, 10.0.0.0/16, and your new cloud virtual private cloud, VPC. The connection fails because the cloud architect accidentally created the VPC with the exact same 10.0.0.0/16 address space. What is this issue called? Answer is C, overlapping CIDR blocks. 49. A team used to wait until the final week of a 6-month project to run security and performance tests. Now, they run these tests automatically on every developer's local machine and in early CI pipelines. What paradigm shift is this? Answer is A, shift-left testing. 50. You need to deploy a clustered database, like Cassandra, on Kubernetes. The database nodes require stable, persistent network identifiers and must be started in a specific, sequential order. Which controller should you use? Answer is D, a stateful set. 51. An order processing system is crashing because the backend billing service cannot keep up with the massive volume of requests coming from the front-end web servers. What architectural pattern can buffer these requests and decouple the services? Answer is B, a message queue, like AWS SQS or RabbitMQ. 52. A continuous delivery pipeline has successfully deployed the application to a staging environment. Automated integration tests have passed. What should ideally happen next before the code goes to production? Answer is C. An automated promotion or a manual approval gate triggers the deployment to production. 53. Your Kubernetes application experiences heavy traffic from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and sits idle at night. You want the cluster to automatically add more pods when CPU utilization hits 80% and remove them when traffic drops. What feature does this? Answer is A, horizontal pod autoscaler, HPA. 54. Your database servers are placed in a private subnet for security, meaning they have no public IP addresses. However, they occasionally need to reach out to the internet to download software patches. What networking component makes this secure outbound connection possible? Answer is D, a NAT gateway/NAT instance. 55. To identify bottlenecks in their software delivery process, an organization maps out every single step from a developer writing code to the feature running in production, measuring the time taken at each step. What is this exercise called? Answer is A, value stream mapping. 56. You have a legacy application container that writes its logs to a local file instead of standard output. You want to ship these logs to a central server without altering the legacy code. You deploy a second container in the same pod to read the file and forward the logs. What Kubernetes pattern is this? Answer is C, the sidecar pattern. 57. A startup wants a fully managed, highly available NoSQL database that automatically scales throughput up and down based on application traffic without managing any underlying servers. What is an example of this service? Answer is A, Amazon DynamoDB. 58. To prevent merging broken code, your team configures the CI pipeline to dynamically spin up a temporary, isolated, fully functional environment for every new pull request and destroys it when the PR is closed. What are these environments called? Answer is D, ephemeral/preview environments. 59. You have a cluster with standard worker nodes and specialized nodes equipped with expensive GPUs for machine learning workloads. How do you ensure that only machine learning pods are scheduled onto the GPU nodes, repelling all other regular pods? Answer is B, taints and tolerations. 60. Instead of trusting users simply because they are connected to the corporate VPN, a modern security architecture requires strict identity verification and device posture checks for every single request to internal applications. What is this model called? Answer is C, Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.